The scope of this perspective is to highlight the potential that rests on functional carbon nanotubes, graphene and fullerenes, en route towards novel functional hybrid materials that eventually unify several functions, such as light harvesting, charge transfer, and catalysis. All of the given examples are fully characterized by spectroscopy and microscopy, and as such document the great success in functioning nanocarbons by means of charge transfer and doping interactions. Our interwoven work packages implement full-fledged spectroscopic and microscopic investigations of nanocarbons that are perfectly complemented by device performance measurements and catalytic production of hydrogen and oxygen, all of them as analytical tools needed to analyze systems that convert solar energy into useful sources of power. In particular, femto, pico, and nanosecond resolve photolysis experiments with fluorescence and transient absorption detection with tunable excitation wavelengths are at the forefront of investigations to characterize dynamic processes that are associated with the generation and fade of photoexcited states, including faster resonant energy transfer, charge separation, charge injection, charge recombination, charge transport, catalytic conversion, etc. These investigations are further complemented by pulse radiolytic experiments. Because these experiments are performed in solution, at solid-liquid interfaces, and in solid films, we typically identify, characterize, and quantify spectroscopically and kinetically all key processes in an operating optoelectronic device under realistic working conditions. It is important that with the assistance of an arsenal of microscopic techniques, AFM, SEM, TEM, and high-resolution TM, we shed light onto aspects that relate to imaging, measuring, and manipulating the nanocarbon morphology. Therefore, we elaborate a strategy that allows the parallel identification and analysis of the structure on one hand and the surface on the other hand of the nanocarbon forms. Adding photovoltaic device characterization, impedance spectroscopy, and conductive AFM to our experimental portfolio is the final and decisive link between spectroscopy and microscopy, as it advances our understanding of photocurrent generation and of powering the catalytic formation of hydrogen and oxygen. These evolutionary abilities are used to establish a feedback mechanism that is the key to a new realm of nanocarbons, with features outstandingly superior to existing systems, both in terms of efficiency and stability. Given this coherent and focused set of priorities, rapid progress is typically made.